Hello guys, this is Vandana from EME Technologies. Today I am going to tell you how to install a Codeigniter in your Xampp server. So you have to download this Codeigniter framework from the internet. You can download it from the official site also. I already downloaded it, so I have that zip folder. Just right click on that and extract this folder and click OK. So I am going to extract this folder. After extracting this folder, just open this folder and select this and copy your folder to your Xampp server. So I am going to the C drive and Xampp I have here, and there is a htdocs folder here. So just double click on that and just right click and paste it here. After pasting this folder, you can rename this folder. So I'm going to rename this folder, and that is a Codeigniter. I'll change this to the code. I'll give any name to this. You can give any name to your folder. So before this so I have pasted this. Now open your Xampp control panel. So I am going to open my Xampp control panel. I just open it and start your services here. So I am going to start my Apache and I am going to start my MySQL. So my server is started here, and you can see that I already pasted that folder into the htdocs. So just go for the browser. I am going to the browser and just write here localhost and with your folder name. So my folder name is a code, so I'm going to write here code. So press enter, and now you can see that your Codeigniter is installed. If you want to make a changes or you can create your file, so just go for the folder, and there is a control panel in this htdocs and code, and there is a applications here you have with the controllers file. So you can give a controllers here or your views files, because the Codeigniter handles the MVC applications, that means models, views and controllers. So these are all the Codeigniter files here. You can create your files or enjoy coding. So thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.